How's it going, everybody? George here from RMS Laser. Just wanted to give you guys a little info on what we got going on that's new around here. Recently we acquired an acrylic bender, so now we're able to do just that. I'm sure if you've been to a grocery store, or any store for that matter, you've seen in front of the cash register those giant slabs of acrylic, giving you guys a little bit of separation to keep you safe. And that's one of the first things we're trying to work on here. So we've got little miniature examples here. Obviously we can make these as big as you want, but if you're at work and you need a little bit of separation, a little protector, if you will, we can make that. So this guy's just got two bends. You can use it as a little protector for yourself. At the same time, if you don't want any bent acrylic, we can go ahead and cut some acrylic, give you a little stand for it, so it'll just stay up in front of you, keep you a little bit safer. Or if you just need one bend, we could do the same thing. This guy will stand up all by itself, stuff like that. And at the same time, in the near future, we're going to be working on how to bend much thicker acrylic. So if you have a boat, a jet ski, anything that needs thicker acrylic with maybe some specific degrees on your bends, that's what we're working on next. It's not done yet, but be on the lookout for that in the future. So other than that, I hope you guys are doing real good, staying safe, and have a good one, everybody.